What's up YouTube? This is Mig-X and I'm here making a quick tutorial how to make your Super FM to bumperless Super FM. You know, the reason why you want your front bumperless is, one of the reason is to make your setup lighter and your rollers close as much as possible to the wheels. The reason why is to make your car faster in cornerings. And Super FM, because the motor positioning, Super FM gives you more power, like more power in uphills and straights. So plus with this, close to the rollers, close to the wheels, it gives you more advantages than with the one with the setup with an ordinary, with the bumper Super FM. Because you can, as you can see, you see the difference. You can, if you're just gonna use an ordinary FRP, let me get an FRP. Let me get an FRP. Here we go. If you're just gonna use an ordinary FRP, it would be this or this. This one. As you can see, the rollers would be would be on this part, would be farther from the chassis. You don't want that. You want your rollers closer to the chassis to make it faster in cornerings and in uphills too, in bank approach. Yeah, that's why some racers, they do, like, some S2 users, they use it as an S2 FM just to get that, you know, advantage. Well, anyways, I'm gonna do the tutorial now. So first you need well, this is a stock FM plastic and this one is a carbon fiber, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it really quick. So first you need this one. I use this as my setting, like it's like a guide to make holes on my chassis. Actually, this is a weight. This is a damper, but it's a multi-setting made out of aluminum. I got this. It's a I forgot what item number, but anyway, this is what I use to make holes, to make my bumperless setup. Or you can also use the same, an ordinary FRP. You can also use an ordinary FRP like this one, just to make holes. Not really that important if it's an FRP or an aluminum one. So anyways, you need a drill. It's a 1.8 millimeter drill. 1.8 millimeter drill. I have an exclusive brand. It's a brand exclusive drill, 1.8 millimeter. So first, what you want to do is drill this part first hole. This one is, I think it's already been drilled. See? So that's it. Then you have to screw them up. So a little screw. Doesn't matter if it's small screws or big screws. Yeah, 2 small screws. You have to screw them up here. This one right here, the one at the front. There you go. See, this part, this part. First one. The reason why I drill it first, so you won't have a hard time putting the screws inside the hole, because you know it would give you hard time and it will ruin the project. Hold on. There you go. Then make sure that they are aligned to each other, so you won't make a mistake making a hole. See? And then grab your drill, the 1.8mm drill, and make a hole here. See, as you can see, it's here. This part, this last hole, this left and right hole, to make this open. Take your time, you don't have to rush. Not really. There you go. See, make a hole like that. See, you don't really have to rush. Making a hole here. There you go. After that, take this out. And once you made these 2 holes right here, from this one, the left and right hole, you have to cut this part, this part of the chassis, and this lip, just to make it flat, like this. Let me show it to you guys. But I wanna make this video as quick as possible for you, but I want you to learn. See, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, guys, but it's flat. I removed the lips. I removed the lips a little bit. I use a sandpaper, or you can use a sandpaper and a file to even this out, to make it flat. This part, cut it from here, from this part, this part, and then cut this little bit, like this little bit, this area, and then use a file or sandpaper to even it out. But once you finish it, you will notice that the lip, it has an angle. It goes up. The angle, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it from this angle, this camera, you can see the angle goes up. See, the angle goes up. That's the problem. But the answer is, you have to make your own angle adjuster. I already made one for me, for my Super FM. It's made out of carbon and FRP. Either way, you can use both. And I have this tool. To make angle adjuster. See, you just put the FRP here and put a double T FRP. You put an FRP here, double tape it, and then sand it. Then once you're done, if you have a rotary tool, you can use this type of tool to cut it, to cut carbon fiber or FRP. Then after that, just make sure that it's really flat, so it won't have a, it won't make a small gap or space when you put in this. And after that, you can put this, and I almost forgot the bottom one.